Hey guys, Dr. Ben here, Functional Medicine Center. So excited to have you on board today. I am the founder and CEO of the Functional Medicine Centers here in Fort Collins, Colorado and Phoenix, Arizona. So excited to go over healthy aging today. Many of you are thinking about aging and what that looks like in the different stages of your life, whether that's your 20s, 30s, 40s, 60s, 80s, no matter where you are, what does healthy aging look like? So that's where functional medicine comes into play, and that's what we're going to be going over today, because ultimately aging is not just something that happens to people and we go downhill. These past few weeks, couple months, I've had a lot of people that have come in literally 40 on the dot. They're 40 years old and they're like, holy cow, I just fell apart this last year. Everything has been bad. I was doing so good. Everything crashed. Well, today I'm 45 years of age. And I just want to tell people that it doesn't have to be, oh, you hit 40, you hit 35, you hit 50, whatever it is, and your body starts breaking down. That doesn't have to be what happens. I had a patient yesterday. His birthday is about 3 weeks after mine. We're the exact same age, and we ran through blood work and insulin resistance, testosterone issues, low energy, inflammation, all of these different things, and he feels it too. Every day he feels that dysfunction. Every day he feels down, low energy, affected moods, all of these things. It doesn't have to be that way. For me personally, I'm up at 4:50 every morning. Do my prayers, do my readings, my goals, everything. Actually do that on the treadmill. So instead of sitting at the desk, I'm sitting there and actually writing on the treadmill. I'm reading on the treadmill, everything. Get up after that and do exercise, do whatever, weights, strength, cardio, whatever I'm going to be doing for that day. Get the kids ready for school, get the kids to school, come in, do these videos, go straight from 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock through the whole day, nonstop energy, usually appointments during lunch, catching up with different people that I need to, and it's just continuously going through that day, but having that continuous energy. And aging, it doesn't matter whether I'm 45 or 35 or 25, that energy is still there. And that's what I see with my patients as well, and that's what we change every single day. Aging does not have to be this downward, sloping thing where you're going to continuously degenerate. What we look at is that the body can function at a high level no matter what age you are. Sure, your strength is going to go down a little bit. I'm not as strong as I was when I was back in college. I'm not as fast as I was, but we make up for that with, hopefully we've been gaining personal growth. Hopefully our mental capacity is better. We've got better judgment. We're wiser. A lot of those things that we can make up for those other things and still be effective and efficient, have vitality, really still give a lot to this world. And each one of you has a unique gift. And that's what we look at bringing back with people every single day, is that unique gift, that potential to be able to give more, be more, do more. And as we age, we've got even more to give. We've got more knowledge. We can impart more wisdom on so many different people. So, age is just a number. Age is just a thing. I've seen just as many old 25-year-olds as I have, old 45 or 65-year-olds out there. So age is just a number, and it is not this defining thing. What is defining is what your blood work is showing, is what your energy is showing, what your inner strength is showing every single day. What you're giving and doing and being is way more important than any number out there. And you can have vitality regardless of your age, and that's the functional medicine approach, and that's what we get with our patients all the time. I tell every single patient that a year from now, when we start, you're going to be younger than you are on today, younger than when we're starting. Thanks, Misty. Good to see you. So we know that as we age, we can actually reverse that aging process, because so many people come in and they're feeling old. They're walking around like a grandma and they're 38 or 42 or 47, and they're overweight and they're tired and their thyroid's off and their gut's off and their brain's off and they can't sleep and they've got anxiety and they just feel like, hey, you know what? I'm crashing. I'm just fading away, and my body is aging, and that's just how it goes, and that's what it's going to be like. But I think back to when my parents, and a lot of you that are in my age bracket or older, they used to do these parties where they would be over the hill parties, and they would have black balloons and over the hill pictures and all these different things. And I mean, I can't imagine somebody doing that today, but thanks, Randy. But basically, that it was like this symbolic thing of, okay, now you're on this downward slide and it's going to get worse and all those things. But that's not how it has to go. And so every year, we need to take a step back. I love doing this, where you reevaluate everything you're doing in your life and you go, okay, what can I do better? Can we get better meat? Can we get better vegetables? Can we get a better source of cleaning products, or whatever it is? And you just keep going through step by step every year and try to make it better and better and better. You do your blood work every year and you look at which system's out of balance. And if your vitamin D's at 30, you got to get it up to 60. And if you're showing an infection, you got to get rid of that. And then you just keep fine-tuning step by step, and that is how we age gracefully, and that is how we age. And you look like those posters where the 65, 70-year-old guy and he still has a six-pack, or the Tina Turner still up there in her 70s and dancing, rocking it more than most of us could in our 30s. And that is possible. That is totally doable. You guys have that potential inside of you to live like a candle. Burn, 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 keep going. The same brightness, and then when the time comes, it gets blown out, and that is it. So I encourage you to reevaluate your life, look at every step of the process, see where you can improve, see what you can do to make yourself stronger, wiser, better, get that personal growth every single day, and you're going to look back a year from now and be younger than you are today. I guarantee if you put the work in, if you do what you need to do, you will actually reverse your aging process. Maybe not your actual age, but you will be younger next year and more vital. I can guarantee you that. So everybody, make it a great day out there. Keep improving, stay strong, keep your body, your mind, your spirit in tip-top shape, and that aging process will be done in the most beautiful way possible. So everybody, make it a great day and take care.